Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Halo Mini protecting a 2020 BMW 8 Series. So as soon as we exit the vehicle, we get 2 flashes and the system's active instantly. So if a thief pulled you out when you got home, grabbed your key and went to steal your vehicle, as soon as you get out, it's going to be active. So they put it in gear, and as you see, the vehicle cuts out. They're unable to drive it. So what you've got to do to drive this vehicle is start it up, pop your code in. As you see, we'll get a flash from the full beam, and we can select our gear, and the vehicle remains running. We can drive off. As soon as we exit the vehicle, 2 flashes and it's on. Now it's going to need your code to start. If you want to change the code, what you've got to do on the BMW is keep your foot off the brake. To turn the ignition off, you go 1, 2, 3, triple press, all the lights come on. Now we're ready to change our code, so we'll just put our normal code in. 1, 2, 3, 4, confirms it's us. Now we'll put our foot to the floor on the accelerator 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 2 flashes. Now it's ready to learn the new code, so we'll just say it 1, 2, 3, 4. We can do a minimum 3 presses, maximum 21. Now we're done, we'll turn the ignition off. We get 1 flash, and the system's now learnt the new code. So now we'll start the car, pop our new code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get our flash, and we can select our gear and drive. If the customer's taking this for a service, what they want to do is put it into service mode. So as before, foot off the brake, triple press to turn the ignition on. Now they pop their code in, and on the last one we'll hold for 15 seconds. Keep it held, and we're going to get 5 flashes. This puts it into service mode. So you'd use this when you take it back to BMW. You don't want to give them your code. You just want it to be a normal vehicle. Totally disables the Halo Mini. So now when we open the door, we get no flashes. The car starts and goes into gear as if nothing's fitted. They can drive it around. If they collect it from you to service it, they can take it to the service centre, do what they need to do, bring it back. It's not going to be a problem. When you get it home, you want to turn it back on. So ignition on, so foot off the brake, triple press to get the start. Triple press the start button to get the ignition on. Pop your code in and hold. Oh, that wasn't the code. Just do that again. So triple press, pop your code in and hold on the last button for 15 seconds, but this time we're only going to get 1 flash. There we go. Now we've got our 1 flash, system's active. As soon as we open the door, 2 flashes and it's on, and the vehicle's secure. So a thief gets your key, puts it in gear, switches off. We're Immobiliser Fit. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Halo Mini on a 2020 BMW 8 Series. Thanks for watching.